Hi guys, look at this creamy curry. It's insanely good and honestly, it's so simple it barely even counts as cooking. Okay, let's go. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Then crush 3 cloves of garlic using a garlic press. Next, add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Season with salt and pepper. And 2 generous tablespoons of curry powder. You can find it anywhere. Then add a can of creamy soy sauce and mix everything together really well. Now you can add 1 big can of chickpeas and a small glass of water. Let it cook for about 20 minutes on a medium heat. And that's it. It's super creamy, super easy, completely vegan, and it's definitely going to impress your friends. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe for more videos.